Alright guys, we got a Dodge Journey in the garage, 3.6, just came in, it's cold outside, it's about minus 17 and minus 20 Celsius. I got this little silicone heater pad right here, we're gonna be installing it on this Journey. So on this vehicle right here, there's no factory block heater. Normally from a factory, they would install one right behind the alternator, right down there, going to the block. It's like a cartridge going into the hole. It will go in this side, but when I put a mirror in there, there's a plug, so there's no heater in there. And you could look around on the side, same thing on this side. You would see if there's no heater cord. That means you would have no block heater on your vehicle. So we're gonna install this on the oil pan. Right, so as long as you have a steel oil pan, like this one right here, it's steel. This heater pad will work. It's not gonna work on aluminum oil pan or anything, okay? It has to be steel. And find a flat surface like this one right here on this spot right there. That's where we're gonna install that silicone pad. Alright, so we're gonna quickly clean her up. We're just gonna grab a wire brush, a rag, and a brake clean to clean up the surface right here where the heater pad's gonna go in. Brake cleans right there. Get all that dirt, dust. Clean rag. There you go. That's what we want right there. Make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, so there's two sizes you can get. On this case, on the Dodge Journey, there's two different sizes. I grabbed the biggest one, and there's a little, the other size one is a little smaller. So this is what I got. It's pretty big, you know. Look at my palm of my hand. There's another one that is about half of these, is about this small. You can get that a little cheaper. This one, it's like 180 bucks retail. I got it for like 80 or $75. So you can see you just a peel and stick. So you peel that out, it will stick like that. It only go one time, okay? So you had to do this right. I'll show you quickly to make it right so that you don't want to mess up and then do it again. Or maybe you have to buy a brand new one. That's it. You have one try, one shot on this. Alright guys, there you go. Look at that. It's all in there. Sticks right in, and then you're gonna have to route the wire, zip tie it, secure, nothing is on the way on the pulleys and belt. Alright, so this is good. And then I run the wire on the passenger side here, right there. Tuck right into the grill. And the zip tie right there. From here, you're gonna get an extension cord going to your the side of your house to plug it in. That's it.